Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arinda Safinah Putri. I am a college student from University of Sultan Haji Muhammad Idris Samarinda. Here I will explain about language and linguistic. Okay, the first is language. There are so many languages in the world. Before we talk about it, we have to know what is the meaning of language. So, language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols and it is used for humans' communication. Okay, now we will talk about the nature of language. First, language is specific human characteristic that makes them different from other. Second, language is main tool of communication. Third, language is a method of human communication. Fourth, language is system of conventional spoken, manual, or written symbols. And the last, language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols and for humans communication. Okay, now is linguistics. So, what is linguistic? Linguistic is the scientific study of language. For example, if we study about linguistic, we will know how to say hello. Like in Indonesia, we say halo or hi. In Korean, they say annyeonghaseyo. In Turkish, they say merhaba. Now, why we have to study linguistics? The first is language awareness. We need to study language to know language awareness. The second is speech therapy. If someone has a language disorder, then a linguist knows how to do language therapy. The third is language acquisition or mastery of language, usually occurs in children. And the fourth or the last is language teaching. We need to understand language to teach it to others because language has a structure of linguistics which is very useful for language teaching. If the teacher doesn't know, and how can they teach someone? So, linguistics is very useful for teacher. Characteristics of language. Language is a sound that's about intonation or a language stress, juncture, and pitch. Language is systematic. Language made of sound and has pattern. Language is a system of system. Language is meaningful. The language spoken by the speakers have a meaning. Language is arbitrary. Language is conventional. Language is a system of contrast. Language is creative. Language are unique. Language are similar. Okay, now I will explain about micro and macro linguistics. Micro linguistics divided into four parts. The first is phonology, is the study about sound. And the second is morphology, is the study about form. And the third is syntax, is the study about phrase and the sentence. And the last is semantics, is the study about the meaning. Next is macrolinguistics. The first is psycholinguistics, is the study of language and mind. The second is sociolinguistics, is the study between language and society. The third is neurolinguistics, the study of language processing and language representation. The fourth is discourse analysis, the study of relationship between language and the context. The fifth is applied linguistics, is primarily concerned with application of linguistic theories. And the last is forensic linguistics, is the application of linguistic knowledge, methods, and insights to forensic context. Maybe only that I can explain to you. I'm sorry if still have any mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.